Okay, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. So, Cartesian product means it is the set of all the ordered pairs that can be made from set A to set B. Like if we assume set A as A, B and C and set B as 1, 2. Now, here are 3 elements, and here are 2 elements. Now, from set A to B, we can make many order
So you're
pairs.
not even sharing your screen.
Now, Cartesian product means it is the set of all the order pairs that can be made from A to B. Now, from A to B, all these elements will combine with these elements to form the order pairs. Like A will pair with 1, it forms A comma 1. Similarly, A will pair with this 2, it forms A comma 2. B pairs with 1, B comma 1. B pairs with 2, B comma 2. C pairs with 1, so it becomes C comma 1. C pairs with 2 and it forms C comma 2. So, these are all the possible order pairs that can be made from A to B. A to B means we will take the first elements in the order pairs as the elements of A, and all the second elements of the order pair will be taken from B. So, this is the Cartesian product from A to B. So, A comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 1 and C comma 2, these are all the possible order pairs that can be made from set A to set B. Now, the set of all these order pair is called as Cartesian product of A and B, and it is denoted by A cross B. So, this is called as Cartesian product. Now, definition wise we can say the set of all the ordered pairs that can be made from set A to set B, and it is denoted by A cross B. So, in A cross B, all the first elements of the order pairs will be taken from A and all the second elements will be taken from B. So, that is why it is called as A cross B, and it is the Cartesian product from A to B. So, symbolically or in set builder form, it can be denoted as A cross B equals to set of order pairs x comma y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B, like this. In this order pair, all the elements of this set, this x, all the elements x are taken from A and all the elements y are taken from B. So, this is the Cartesian product of A and B and is denoted by A cross B. But if we take B cross A is different from A cross B. If we take B cross A, then in the order pairs all the first elements are taken from B and all the second elements are taken from A. Did you get this? Did you get this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, in the set builder form, it can be written as the set of all the order pairs x comma y, such that x belongs to B and y belongs to A. So, this is B cross A, and if we make the list of the order pairs, then from these two sets, then it will be 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, 2 comma A, 2 comma B and 2 comma C. Did you find the difference between these two? Did you get the difference between these two? In A cross B, okay, in A cross B, all the elements, all the first elements of the order pairs are taken from A. Remember, in A cross B, In A cross B, all the first elements of order pairs are taken from A, set A, and all the second elements of the order pair are taken from B in A cross B. Similarly, in B cross A, all the first elements of order pair are taken from B. A. All the first elements are taken from B, all the second elements are taken from A, all the second elements are taken from A in B cross A. So, that is why A cross B and B cross A are different things. A cross B and B cross A are different things. So, that is why in Cartesian product A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Did you understand this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us move to next topic. Now, let us do one example. Find the Cartesian product of A and B if A equals to 1, 2, 4, B equals to 3, 2, 3, 2. Now, if we are told to find the Cartesian product of A and B, then we should find A cross B. If we are told to find Cartesian product of A and B, then we should find A cross B. And if we are told to find Cartesian product of B and A, then we should find B cross A. If A and B is told, then A cross B. If B and A is told, then B cross A. Now, can I do this? Can you find this? Okay, it's simple. Here A equals to 1, 2 and 3, B equals to 3, 2. Now, let us find the Cartesian product of A and B. Now, for Cartesian product of A and B, we have to take the first element of all the order pairs from A, right? From A. That means all these elements will pair with the elements of B. 1, 2 and 3, all these elements of set A will pair with the elements of set B. Like 1 will pair with 3, it becomes 1, 3. 1 will pair with 2, it forms 1, 2. 2 will pair with 3, it forms 2, 3. 2 will pair with 2, it becomes 2, 2. 3 will pair with 3, it becomes 3, 3. 3 will pair with 2 and forms 3, 2. These are the possible order pairs that can be made from A to B. Means this is Cartesian product of A and B. Yes?
Isn't A 1, 2 and 4?
1, 2 and 4. Oh, sorry, I did mistake here. Okay, let's make it 3 then. 3. Okay, A is 1, 2 and 3, B is 3, 2. I copied a wrong value here. Okay, A is 1, 2 and 3, B is 3, 2. Now, we need to make the order pairs from set A to set B, pairing all the elements of the set A with the elements of set B in A cross B. Okay. Now, can you do this type of questions?
Yes, sir.
And if we are told to find n of A cross B, if we are told to find n of A cross B, then it will be the number of order pairs of Cartesian product of A and B. If n is given here, if n is written, then n denotes the number of ordered pairs. Now, in this case, in A cross B, how many order pairs are here? 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6, right. there are 6 order pairs, so n A cross B will be equal to 6. If n is told, then we should count the number of order pairs. It's simple. If we are told to find A cross B, then we should find all the order pairs that can be made from A to B. If we are told to write n A cross B, then we should count the order pairs. We should count the order pairs. Hey. Now A is 1, 2, 3 and it n A will be equal to 3. N means number of elements. Here n B will be equal to 2, and always n A cross B will be equal to n A cross n B, n A into n B. It will be 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. This is always valid for the Cartesian product. The total number of the ordered pairs in a Cartesian product is always equal to the product of the number of elements of set A and set B. A means n A into n B. N A into n B is always equal with n A cross B. Is there any difficulty? Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, if so, then I'll give one question. If A, okay, let's say P equals to A, B, C, Q equals to 1, 2, find P cross Q and Q cross P. Also determine whether P cross Q equals Q cross P and n P cross Q equals n Q cross P. Okay, do this question. The elements of P are A, B, and C. Elements of Q are 1 and 2. Now we need to find P cross Q and Q cross P. We need to find P cross Q and Q cross P. After finding it, we need to determine whether P cross Q and Q cross P are equal or not. We need to find whether P cross Q and Q cross P are equal or not. And next thing is, we need to determine whether n P cross Q and n Q cross P are equal or not. N means number of order pairs in this Cartesian product. Here also we have to check the total number of the order pairs in Cartesian product of Q and P, and whether the number of elements are equal or not. We have to check that. Now do it by yourself. The Cartesian product can be represented in various ways. Ways to represent the Cartesian product. Okay, the first one is listing method. Listing method, and listing method is the same process as we have done now. Listing method is the same process that we have done now. Means in this same example, if P is A, B and C, Q is 1, 2, then if we find P cross Q as A, 1, A, 2, B, 1, B, 2, C, 1, C, 2, then the list of the order pairs is written here in this Cartesian product. So this process is called as listing method, or this method is called as listing method. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the order pairs are listed in this way, it is listing method. And next method is tabulation method. Tabulation method. In tabulation method, will make a table to represent the Cartesian product. Like here in this case, here is set P, here is set Q. Now, in set Q, what elements are there? In set Q, there are 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. 1 and 2. In set P, there are A, B and C. These are the elements. These are the elements. Now, this side it denotes the elements of set P and this side denotes the elements of set Q. Now, we are finding P cross Q. Now, we have to pair up these elements. A and 1 it becomes A comma 1. A and 2 it becomes A comma 2. B and 1 it becomes B comma 1. B and 2 it becomes B comma 2. C and 1 becomes C comma 1. C and 2 becomes C comma 2, like this. Now, in this way we can find out the order pairs in the table also, and this process of finding the order pair by using table is called as tabulation method. In tabulation method, a set or one set is denoted in the right hand side and another set is written in the upside of this table, and then we will pair up all these elements here inside the table. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, another is there is set builder form also. Set builder form, and this set builder form we have already discussed when we discussed the definition also. So, in the definition also we have discussed the set builder form. What we are told is P cross Q equals to the set of order pair x comma y such that x belongs to set P and y belongs to set Q. So, this is called as the set builder form of Cartesian product of P and Q. That means, we can write P cross Q equals to set of the order pairs x comma y such that x belongs to P, y belongs to Q. This is always same. The set builder form is always same. If we are told to write Q cross P, then you could write x comma y such that x belongs to first set Q, y belongs to second set P, like this. If you are told to write A cross B, then it will be x comma y such that x belongs to set A, y belongs to set B. So, these are the process of writing Cartesian product in set builder form. Do you have any confusion on this? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, this is set builder form. Next one is graphical method. Graphical method. In graphical method, this is graph, two-dimensional figure, and this horizontal line is called as x axis and this vertical line is called as y axis. This is called as x axis, this is called as y axis. Now, if we are taking P cross Q, then P, all the elements of P will denote x axis or x components. All the elements of P will denote x components, and similarly all the elements of Q will denote y components. P will denote x component, Q will denote y component. Now, x components means the elements of P are A, B and C. Okay, let us denote it as A, B and C, and similarly the elements are, what are the elements here? 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. So, it will be 1 and this will be 2. Now, if we need to plot all the order pairs from P to Q. Now there is a comma 1, so that is why a and 1 is, it lies here. This one is a comma 1, a comma 1. A comma 1 means we should go through x axis for a units, and then we should go through y axis for 1 unit. Then it forms, or a point will be obtained, which is a comma 1. This is the point. This is the point. This one is the point. This is the point. Now next is a comma 2. Next is a comma 2. Now other point is a comma 2. A comma 2 will be here. A comma 2 means we should go a units along x axis and 2 units along y axis. A comma 2 means this point. This point is a comma 2. Next is b comma 1. B comma 1 lies here. This is b comma 1. B units along x axis, 1 unit along y axis. And next one is b comma 2. In b comma 2, b units along x axis and 2 units along y axis, means the point lies here. The point lies here. So these are the 4 points. These are the 4 points that are denoted by P cross Q. And there is C also, right? If C also, then we can plot that. So C comma 1 means C comma 1, C comma 1 this point, C comma 2 this point. Means all these 6 points can be plotted in this graph, and this process of representing all the order pairs in a single graph is called as graphical method. This is called as graphical method. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move on to next method then, that is V number is arrow diagram. Arrow diagram, or it is also called as mapping diagram. Mapping diagram. And in this mapping diagram, we will make 2 sets like this. This is set P and this is set Q. The elements of set P should be written here, A, B and C. These are the elements of set P, and similarly all the elements of set Q should be written here like 1 and 2. Now whenever the elements are mapped, then this A will map with both the elements of Q, like A maps to 1, A maps to 2, B maps to 1, B maps to 2, like this. Are you getting this or not? All the elements of set P should map with all the elements of set Q. Like A should map with 1 and 2, B should map with 1 and 2, C should map with 1 and 2. C maps with 1, C maps with 2. Now we can write all the order pairs from P to Q. Now if A maps to A, then the order pair will be A comma 1. If it maps to 2, then order pair will be A comma 2. If B maps to 1, then it forms B comma 1. If B maps to 2, then it forms B comma 2. If C maps with 1, it forms C comma 1. If C maps to 2, it forms C comma 2. And these are the total order pairs that can be made from P to Q. But if you are told to draw mapping diagram, then it is not necessary to write all those order pairs. You just need to draw this diagram. This diagram is enough for this. Whether you are told to draw arrow diagram or mapping diagram, you just need to draw this diagram. This is set P, this is set Q. Now we need to join all these elements with all these elements of Q. We have to join all the elements of set P to all the elements of set Q. Means A should be joined with P, this should be joined with 2, B should be joined with 1, B should be joined with P2, C should be joined with 1, C should be joined with 2. In this way, all the elements of set P should be connected with the elements of set Q. Do you have any question on this? Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If so, then I'll give one question. You should do it by yourself. Aida. The question is if A equals 1 comma 2 and B equals 3 comma 4, find A cross B and present in a number. Listing form, B number, tabulation form, C number, mapping diagram. Mapping diagram is also called as arrow diagram. D number, set builder, and E number, graphical. E number, graphical method, set builder method or set builder form. Okay, in all these five methods, represent A cross B in all these methods. Okay, do this now. Okay, for set builder form, what did you write?
X comma Y, X belongs to A
Correct.
comma Y belongs
X
to B.
belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it should be enclosed inside this curly bracket, eh? This should be enclosed inside the curly bracket because this is the set of order pairs, and to represent it as set, this must be enclosed inside this curly brackets. Okay. I think there are not any confusion. Do we have? Then
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay, let's move to next question then. Next question. One question is, if you are provided with the mapping diagram or arrow diagram, can you write the order pairs? For example, this is 4, this is 5, this is 8 and this is 9. Now, these are connected like this. 5 is also mapped with both the elements of set B. Now, what will be A cross B? We can tell it. What are the order pairs of A cross B? Okay, I guess 3. Tell it.
4 comma 6, 4 comma 9.
This one is 8, eh? It seems, that seems like
4 comma 8, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 8, 5 comma 9.
4 comma 8, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 8, 5 comma 9. Okay, it's simple. 4 comma 8, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 8, 5 comma 9. Then what is the number of order pairs in A cross B? What is the value of n A cross B?
4.
4. And what is the value of NA?
2.
2. What is the value of NB?
2.
Now, is NA cross B equals NA cross NB? Is this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the value of NA cross B?
4.
4. What is the value of NA?
2.
2. What is the value of NB?
2.
2. Now, 4 equals 2 to the 4. It is true. Means NA cross B equals to NA cross NB. Okay, it is proved. Now, next question. Next question is, if P cross Q equals the set of order pairs 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma 7 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7. Now find P and Q. P and Q also so that N P cross Q equals to NP cross NQ. If P cross Q equals to the order pairs 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, we need to get the values of P and Q, and we should also show NP cross Q equals NP cross NQ. Can you do this? How to get the elements of set P? How to get this?
P equals to 4, 5, Q equals to 5, 6.
Yes, how did you get this? How did you get this? By the set builder form, P cross Q equals set of order pairs x comma y such that x belongs to P and y belongs to Q, right? Means in all the order pairs of P cross Q, the set of all the first element of order pair, they belong to set P, right? This 4 is of P, this 4 is of P, this 4 is of P, this 5 is of P, this 5 is of P, this 5 is of P. As per the set builder form, P cross Q, in this P cross Q, in every order pair, the first element belongs to P, the second element belongs to Q. Means this 5 belongs to Q, 6 belongs to Q, 7 belongs to Q, 5 belongs to Q, 6 belongs to Q, and 7 belongs to Q. That means set P can be written as 4, this 4, this 4 and this 4. So these are not necessary to write again and again. You can just write only one. And what is here? Here is 5. So write here 5. Any other elements beside 4 and 5 in P? No. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. So the elements of set P are 4 and 5. Now in case of Q, Q is the set of all the elements, all the second elements of the order pair, right? The second elements are, what are the second elements? 5, 6, 7, and here also 5, 6, 7, means 5, 6 and 7 are repeated again. So it is not necessary to write repeatedly, just write once, it will be 5, 6 and 7. Do you have any confusion on this? Any confusion, Aryaman? So elements of P are 4 and 5, elements of Q are 5, 6 and 7. Elements of P are 4 and 5, elements of Q are 5, 6 and 7. Okay, the first part is finished. Now what does the second part say? It says that we need to show NP cross Q equals NP cross NQ. Now for this we can just take LHS, NP cross Q. N means we should count the number of order pairs of P cross Q. N means counting the number. Now here, how many order pairs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether 6 order pairs. Now what is there in RHS? In right hand side, NP cross NQ. I copied from here. This one is right hand side, this one is left hand side, LHS. LHS is NP cross Q, RHS is NP cross NQ. Now if so, the value of NP is, we can just count from here, 1 and 2, it is 2. What is the value of NQ? NQ is 1, 2 and 3, 3. Now 2 3s is 6, 2 3s 6. Are these two values equal? Are these equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore LHS equals to RHS. proved. So, in this way this question can be solved. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll give one question for as your homework. Do it by yourself. It is similar to this question. The question is,
Sir,
yes,
we still have domain and range of relation. Will you teach us tomorrow?
okay, we'll do that tomorrow. Question is, if r cross s equals to 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, okay, copy this, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. These are all the order pairs of r cross s. Now the question is, find r and s. Also verify that nr cross s equals nr cross ns. nr cross ns. This is the same type of question that we did just before. If r cross s equals 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, we need to find r and s. What will be the values of r? What will be the elements of r?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. What will be the elements of s, R1? S.
Sorry, may you repeat?
What will till again?
Can you repeat yourself?
Okay, find the elements of set S.
2, comma 3, comma 4.
2, 3, 4. Okay. What is the value of nr cross S?
Sorry?
What is the value of nr cross S?
NR cross S is 6.
6. nr is?
So
nr is how much?
NR, NR is 2.
nr is 2. Okay. ns is?
NS is 3.
3. Now nr cross ns will be 6. 6 equals 6, that will be proved. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Okay, now